everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on driving smoothly. The focus of this lesson will be driving smoothly made easy with 3 easy steps. That's right, I'm going to be telling you about 3 easy steps that you can use to be a much smoother driver. And let's face it, we all want to be smoother. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off by explaining the 3 steps, and then I'll demonstrate myself using those 3 steps as I drive around the neighborhood. Step number 1 is smooth gas pedal movements, okay? Now, with regards to smooth gas pedal movements, obviously, you want to have a consistent amount of force on the gas pedal. So, meaning you're not like going harder, softer, harder, softer. You also want to plant your heel on the ground. By planting your heel on the ground, you are more able to control the gas pedal in a much easier fashion. Instead of going like this, it's harder to hold it in a specific spot. By planting your heel, it's just easier. You also want to have a consistent speed with the gas pedal itself. I'm not talking about the speed of your car. I'm talking about the speed in which you are pushing the gas pedal, okay? So basically, you want to be able to push the gas pedal at a consistent speed, not like fast, slow, fast, slow. You want to just have a consistent speed. One little practice exercise that you can do is put your car in park, or if you're driving a manual car, put your car in neutral and pull the e-brake to make sure you don't roll away, and just put your foot on the gas pedal and rev it at different milestones. Like right now, I'm at 2,000 RPM and I'm holding it there. Now I'm gonna go up to 3,000 RPM and I'm holding it there. And just keep doing that, and that's a good practice exercise. Step number 2 is smooth brake pedal movements. That's right, you need to be smooth with the brake pedal. And the actual factors for smoothing out your brake pedal movements is going to be similar to the gas pedal ones. You want to have a consistent force, plant your heel on the ground, consistent pressure, consistent speed with your brake pedal pressure, and so forth. You just want everything to be nice, a nice flow. And a good practice exercise is put your car in drive, pick a milestone in a parking lot, not on a road. Pick a milestone and try and stop before that line or that light post at different speeds. And just keep practicing, and eventually you're just gonna get better. The more that you practice, the better that you're gonna be. Last but not least, and I will demonstrate after this one, after explaining this, is step number 3, which is smooth steering wheel movements. Now, there are a few factors. The first one is your steering wheel method, your steering method. You want to choose the best one for you. You know, you have a few options. You have hand over hand, you have the push-pull technique, you have, you know, like one hand on either side steering like this, you have one-handed steering. There are many different techniques. There's another one, I would not recommend this. It's a horrible method, but there's the underhand grip, horrible method, but like I said, it is a method. People use it. It's not good, but people use it. So you want to choose a method. You want to have a good wheel turning speed, meaning you want to be able to turn the wheel at the right speed. Not too fast, not too slow. Turn the wheel at the right speed. You want to have a good grip on the wheel. You want to have a firm grip, but also flexible. Make sure you're able to move. And you want to be able to look ahead in a turn, okay? So looking ahead will help smoothen out your actual movements of the car. So let's go ahead. We're going to put the car in drive. Let's go cruise around the neighborhood. So as you saw right there, I was able to smoothly start moving. And now I'm holding the gas pedal in the exact same spot right now to just cruise at this constant acceleration speed. Okay, now I'm pushing the brake pedal easily, nice and easily, coming to complete stop. Watch my body. You see how smooth that was? I barely moved at all, okay? And it could get even smoother, but I don't want to upset if there's anyone around, if there's someone around or behind me. So as you can see, when I turn the wheel, I use a very smooth movement, and I accelerated smoothly. So the key is really, to be honest with you, it's just a matter of practice, but you want to focus on those 3 steps, okay? You want to focus on smooth gas pedal movements, smooth brake pedal movements, and smooth steering wheel movements. And if you focus on the smooth gas, brake, and steering wheel movements, you're gonna become a smoother driver. Like I said, it's just a matter of practice. And if you want to see if your braking is smooth, get your back off of the seat. Don't rest back on the seat. Get your back off of the seat and come to a stop smoothly and see how much you move. Even with accelerating, same thing. So I'll come to complete stop. There's no one here. There's no one around. Watch my back. Look, I don't have any leverage. My arms are in the air. See that? Barely move. Now watch when I accelerate. Let me make sure there's no one there. My back is off of the seat. You can see right here, I'm not moving, like I'm not like flying back or anything like that. And honestly, like I said, the key is just practice. But use those 3 easy steps to become a much smoother driver really easily. That's one of the key factors. You got to use those steps right there to become a much smoother driver. And you got to use them effectively. I'm sorry, this person behind me, it seems like they're following me, to be honest with you. They've been following me around when I'm stopping and going. So we're just gonna make sure that they're not following me anymore. We'll put it that way, if you know what I'm saying. All right, anyways, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video as I get away from this person who I'm not sure who they are. Hopefully there's someone that knows me. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.